Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health, and I'm highly grateful that you all are watching my videos, sharing it and subscribing it. Today in School for Elders, we just want to discuss one thing. Why this School for Elders? I know why this School for Elders, but those who are sharing it, those who are liking this idea, have you ever questioned? हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम पता क्या है? Today I will just speak in Hindi because there is a lot of societal pressure, a lot of societal garbage which has to be cleared out. So I want to reach maximum audience. So yes, so I will keep this video in mostly in Hindi language so that maximum people should watch and understand this, what I am talking about. शादी करो, है ना? बच्चे करो. हमें क्या इंस्ट्रक्शन दी जाती है? ये तुम्हें करना है. कैसे करना है नहीं बताया जाता. बताया क्या? कभी नहीं. इंजीनियर बन जाओ. क्यों बनना है? कैसे बनना है? बताया जाता है? नहीं. डॉक्टर बनना है. बस. क्यों बनना है? पता नहीं. बस मुझे ये MBA करनी है. करनी क्यों है ये नहीं पता. 16 ईयर्स की लड़की, अच्छे घर से भी हो, 16 ईयर्स की लड़की की शादी कर देते हैं. 17th ईयर में वो मदर बन जाती है एक बच्चे की, राइट? एंड उसको कोई पेरेंटिंग की नॉलेज नहीं है. यू नो व्हाट नॉलेज शी हैव, व्हाट लिटिल नॉलेज शी हैव ऑफ पेरेंटिंग और रिलेशनशिप, बिकॉज शी हैज़ नेवर डन एनी कोर्स ओवर देयर. वट एवर शी हैज़ सीन इन हर सराउंडिंग्स, either it's her own parents, either it's close relatives or neighbors or anyone whom she has observed or he has observed, right? Whatever they have seen. So that is our coaching and that is our knowledge about parenting. Okay, even if you become mother at 25, 35 or whatever age, have you received any parenting? बस अरे अब तो मेरी 25 साल हो गई, अब तो मेरी उम्र 30 साल हो गई, अब मेरी 35 हो गई, अब मेरी 40 हो गई, मेरा बस बच्चा हो जाए. उससे पहले आपको कोई नॉलेज है कि आपको कैसे बच्चे को बड़ा करना है? Have you read anything? Have you observed anything that what our child should need, how we should raise a child? It's a separate entity. It is not your punching bag or private property, right? They need proper attention. एक plant भी लगाते हैं ना, उसको भी हमें बहुत attention देना पड़ता है, नहीं तो वो मर जाता है. And you know, if human being can survive without any attention, that divine intelligence is protecting. Even to a plant, the divine intelligence is protecting. However, divine intelligence is protecting that child. But हमें प्रोग्राम कर दिया जाता है कि तुम्हें ये करना है. गोल दिया जाता है, कैसे करना है वो नहीं बताते. ये करना है, एक्शन लेना है. गोल क्या है उसमें, गोल नहीं पता कि क्यों करना है. वाई हम कभी नहीं पूछते. स्कूल फॉर एल्डर्स अगर मैंने कह दिया, बहुत लोगों को आइडिया पसंद आएगा, लेकिन उनको पता ही नहीं हमें क्यों अपने एल्डर्स को बोलना चाहिए, हम कैसे कन्विंस करें, कैसे माइंडसेट चेंज करें. उनको पूछो, उनको क्वेश्चन करो. आप स्कूल जाना चाहते थे, क्या पता वो जाना ही ना चाहते हो. एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन को देखो, स्कूल नहीं गए, राइट? बिल गेट्स ने अपना स्कूल बी स्कूल विड्रॉ कर लिया. ही सेड आई कैन अर्न मोर मनी. Mark Zuckerberg is a dropout. I know they are elite institutes dropout, but they said whatever fees they are generating, it's worthless. They are just making business. They have that sense, no matter whichever school they are going, right? So anyone who has that sense, who is making money, will may never go to school, like Tanmay Bakshi. He has gone to school, but now he's earning billions. Why he needs to go to school, right? So हमारी प्रोग्रामिंग कैसी हुई है कि तुम्हें ये करना है, बट क्यों करना है ये नहीं पता. लड़कियों को अपने पापा का घर छोड़ के जाना है. क्यों जाना है अपने पापा मम्मी का घर छोड़ के? फिर सारी जिंदगी विक्टिम की तरह जीना है. Oh my God, my mother-in-law is this, my father-in-law is this, my husband is this, my this, that, so, blah, blah. And all the bad things on this world are happening to them, right? Most of them. I'm not talking about all. Please don't generalize this. This is again not a universal, neither generalized, neither opinionated. It is maximum population which does that, who does that, right? And no one has questioned. You know, I have never got an answer why I should get married. I have never got an answer to this. I was like, I'm having all my luxuries and comforts here. I have such a beautiful and loving parents. That's what we need. It's just 5 to 10 years passion. You have to sacrifice your whole life for that. And I don't know what type of kids I'm gonna have in future. Maybe if I will adopt, they will be more generous to me, because they say that yes, she is such an angelic human who has adopted kids from there and all. So they would be more grateful than my own kids. They would say, maybe they would tell like me, would I say, may I come in before coming? You should have not have a kid, right? Like many kids says, because they say we have not born with our own choice. It was your conscious efforts. You wanted us. We did not want to come in this world on our own. However, we don't know about the nitty-gritties of this, who wanted or who doesn't want. But this is general criteria. It's generalized truth. It's not a universal truth, whatever I am talking about. So maybe many people might have questioned. They might not have audacity to put it on any platform. बहुत लोगों ने सवाल किए भी होंगे, किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं डाला होगा. However, I am putting it officially on my social media platform. आप अगर शादी कर रहे हैं, आपने कोई रिलेशनशिप की ट्रेनिंग ली है, आप अगर बच्चे कर रहे हैं, आपने कोई बच्चों की ट्रेनिंग ली है, उनको कैसे बड़ा किया जाता है, क्या करना चाहिए. अगर बच्चे हम कर रहे हैं तो हमारे में एक चीज़ ज़रूर होनी चाहिए. We should have patience and we should know how to apologize in front of those who are younger to us. Even when they are not in their senses, because that is the only way. When we are calm, only then we can make other person calm. I'm not saying that you should always bow down or you should lose your self-respect, but you should have that patience. You should be that sponge. You just extract all the negativity and you just turn it into environment and turn it into the some positive, that you should make them realize they were wrong at their place. What they did, what they said, with love and care. Do you get such parenting? If you have not, you don't have any right to be parent. You don't have any right to get married. It's just for that passion. It's very common now, casual relationship, and no one has any objections nowadays. Go ahead with that if you are comfortable. If you are not someone who is striving for soul connection, right? So you can definitely go ahead with that. So this is my question, in which scripture किस ग्रंथ में लिखा है कि लड़कियों को ही घर छोड़कर जाना है, या शादी हमें ज़रूर करनी है, या ब्रह्मा जी ने लिख दिया है कि ये हमें ज़रूर करना है. शादियाँ is man-made, is human, purely human, this one, because हर कल्चर में अलग अलग होती है. अगर भगवान ने बनाई होती तो एक तरीके से होती. एक डिवाइन इंटेलिजेंस ने क्या बनाया, बच्चा पैदा करना, वो एक ही तरीके से होता है. You know, no matter whichever country, whichever race you belong to, there is only one procedure to have kid, right? However, doing wedding, there are different. Some people take that round. Some people put rings. Some people take vows. Some people are having some other traditions. Some people have some other traditions. It's make promises. Some people just sign and get married. So they are always having different cultures, right? So I know it's going lengthy and long today. However, I would not take much time now. This is a question to ponder. Everyone needs to ponder on this. Thank you for listening to me, and please question why you are doing this. I know why I am doing this School for Elders, because I'm highly inspired by that movie Bagban. Those who have not seen, please watch it. What happens in that? So thank you so much for listening to me. Today's video was long enough for the discussion which I wanted to have with you, and please mention in the comment section your thoughts. Thank you so much, and I'm highly grateful to all of you for listening to me, and see you till next video. Bye bye, take care.